Ever since I was a kid, watching fishing on ESPN on Sunday mornings, I've dreamt of catching peacock bass in the Amazon. And although a trip to the Amazon is out of my reach at this time, I can still catch peacock bass thanks to a visionary angler named George S. Cooper. In the late 1950s, George Cooper had a remarkable idea that introduced the exotic and vibrant peacock bass to the waters of Florida. And over time, these majestic fish have adapted to their new habitat and multiplied, turning Florida's freshwater waterways into an angler's paradise. Florida now boasts one of the most sought-after peacock bass fisheries in the world. So if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button and the ring notification bell so you don't miss anything as Yakking with Jack, G2 Coastal, and I explore Florida's peacock bass fishing in the Pompano Beach, Boca Raton area.
All right, guys, we are trying to beat the rain. Jack wanted to take his time getting around today, said he didn't want to get out in the heat, so we lollygagged. And now you can see the thunderheads everywhere. We are on the side of the highway here in South Florida. Oh, God. And I just rolled my ankle. Ah. Ah.
So on our way to the fishing spot, we stopped at the bait shop and picked up some live shiners. Some of the locals told us that's about the only thing that these peacock bass will hit. They're really hard to catch on artificial.
Ooh, got a good one. Got a good one. Woo! Look at the pretty colors on that. Look at that. That's freaking gorgeous. Look at the orange underneath. Let's let them go. You gone.
I know.
Another blister head. That's a beautiful
I
one.
don't know what that is.
Look at those red eyes.
You know that's the best tasting part about fish too.
Ooh.
So we just kind of made our way up and down the roadway. The bite would die in certain spots, and then we'd move down, pick off a couple more, and just keep moving.
I'm on. Oh. It's a decent one. That's my first hump head. Yeah, they're strong. All right, that's the first one I caught. Are these the male or female? What? Male? Okay. This is a male peacock. That's that hump on the head. See how funny that looks. But man, they are beautiful fish. They love sitting on that ledge. He's fixing to get 8. Oh yeah. Woo! Ah, another humpback. Did he swallow it? Gosh, dog it. Swallowed it. All right. Another gorgeous one. Look how dark this one is, but look at that orange underneath the chin. Oh. Come here. I'm gonna get you back in. Come here. I got you. All right. Let this guy go.
So we made it to our final fishing spot, which was a series of retention ponds located between some neighborhoods and canals that ran underneath some high lines. This was a spot Jack had fished before, and there's no fences or signs up or anything that say no trespassing or no fishing.
Oh, there's a big one right there. Oh, damn, he just went deep. All right, let's keep our eye on him. Let's keep our eye on him. Let's see. Maybe if I can pull this. He doesn't want anything to do with it. Oh, yeah. That was an Oscar, it looked like. I've seen a couple peacocks. Got him. Yeah. Was that a Oscar? A cichlid? That's a pretty fish. Ah. All right. It's a pretty fish. Beautiful little guy. Oh yeah. Let's let him go. Make a few casts right here. This looks like it might. Looks like kind of a drop off. There we go. Woo! Heck yeah. Wow. That thing is freaking gorgeous. Oh my God, look at the colors on that. Wow. Stop it. There we go, got him. Get a picture. All right, let's let him go. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a different color one. Look at that. Oh, damn. He's like deformed. Oh, damn. He swallowed it. All right. Be getting a new hook on this one. Let me cut it. Beautiful. Look at this guy. He's weird looking. All right, that's my second one. Pretty cool looking. Looks like I don't know if he's deformed or malnourished or what, but oh, it's okay. Let him go. He gone. What? I don't know what he said. Oh, that's a gorgeous one. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at Jordan's. Got a big old pop knot on his head. That's hilarious. That's awesome, man. There we go. A baby peacock. There's another one, not as pretty, but I will get a pic. Let's let this guy go. They keep getting smaller. Another one, little baby. What? Oh, dang. That one came up and caught it right at the bank. Nice. We are having a peacock sleigh fest. Golly. Did he? Oh yeah, okay, he got loose. All right, let's get a picture of this guy and then get him back in. Where am I? Oh, he's still hooked. I thought he was loose. All right, let's get him.
Let's go. You're not allowed to do so. Why you drop it?
What?
Why you drop it?
Why? You said I can't fish here.
No, you can get your fish.
Oh.
Your fish is your fish.
Nah, that's a...
You cannot fish, but you already there, you can get your fish. Yeah. You can get your fish, this is your fish. Hello, sir? Let's go. They don't want you to... I mean, me, I close my eyes on you, but they call me, you know.
Who did? I'm just asking, who? Who called?
Oh. You see, yeah, please, but they call me.
This is the... Isn't this public, though, with the cutaway?
Yeah, the way you can go, the public. You can go out this way, you can go out this way. Sorry, sir. They don't want nobody to be fishing here.
No problem. You understand?
Yeah. I'm sorry, this guy have a big fish and he throw it away, you know.
Ain't no big deal. I appreciate it.
All right, boss.
Thanks for being cool about it.
All right.
All right, guys. We're leaving. I mean, not going to argue with the guy, but this looks like a city park. We could be wrong, so we're just going to go ahead and head out, but I am going to fish my way out. Woo! It's a good one. Oh boy, this is a good one. This is a good one. Or is that a bass? I think that's a bass. Yep. Nice bass. Yep. Or no, that's a smallmouth. Smallmouth. I don't know. I haven't bass fishing so long. I'm not sure. What do you... Yeah, I guess it's spotted. It's not bronze. That's a nice one though. He had 2 monster peacocks with him and the bass hits. Why don't they have signs up?
They don't want nobody to be on this property, sir.
I know, but why don't they have signs up? That's all I'm just asking.
Sir, listen, you don't make the rules for that. They don't make the rules. They say, no, you're not supposed to come here. This is a private property.
Okay. I'm just saying, people wouldn't come in here and fish if they put up no trespassing signs.
They're going to give you a trespassing exam.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean.
But you're not even on fish. You come to fishing for fun, you know, so you just go somewhere else and do that, you know, because here they don't want that.
Can I fish if I keep it?
Yeah, you can keep it.
No, I mean, can I fish? Can I go ahead and fish if I keep it?
You don't want that.
It's worth a try.
I get like already 10 calls. 10 calls. You have my boss call me, everybody call me like I'm not doing nothing, you know. Because you didn't see my car when I was back over there?
No.
I was back over there too.
I was just looking at the fish.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're all right, man. You're doing your job.
All right.
You stay safe. Okay, so he was just doing his job. He wasn't being a jerk or anything. Obviously somebody in that neighborhood's a turd, but no big deal. There's no signs. It didn't say no trespassing. There wasn't a fence. So I don't think we did anything wrong. And we were nice to the guy, we were polite, so we're just gonna move on to the next spot.